Okay, what you have is a galaxy. Okay, here's the core. Here are the outer bands. Big spiral-like object, looks like a hurricane. But there are events which occur inside of this hurricane, like an oak tree growing acorns. The stars, obviously all the billions of them, are leaves. Leaves dissipate the energy of the tree. The acorns give the tree the ability to reproduce itself.
After planetary nebula, the pulsar evolutionary timeline starts off as a white dwarf, and what happens is not a lot of iron and nickel enter in, so it starts spinning more and more rapidly and collapsing on itself. But when it spins more rapidly, it starts to get more and more dense, and it begins flattening as it starts to spin more rapidly. And eventually, it'll become like a disc structure, and then it will spin so rapidly that the outside material will form a torus, and it will start ejecting matter and form a hole. This is what provides the initial kick for getting the object out of the galaxy. What that does is form another arm. And then it reaches the point to where you have giant lobes forming and start spinning and twirling. And then the object will begin forming the giant barred spiral arms or the spiral arms of the galaxy. And the material will be forming, billions and billions of stars, which will then, once the galaxy evolves considerably and you have a big spirals, all the stars will form along these little arms right here as it dissipates the energy. And that's why the arms are much brighter, because they're full of younger, hotter stars, and then they start interacting and mingling with each other and forming solar systems on very vast scales.